Hey friends, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I'm sharing a New York City day trip I took with my mom and my grandmother and some of my cousins. Enjoy. Sarah would. What'd you say? I don't see the Hello Kitty. Oh.
We have everything under control for you today. Everybody that you're going to hear from has a degree in the performing arts from a university from all across the United States of America. Right now, we also have 3 international servers. One is from Israel, one is from Australia, and one is from New Jersey. Now, no matter where any of us, Americans, you're welcome. No matter where any of us are actually from, we all share something in common if we work here, and that is, in our very recent past, we have all made a horrible life choice by moving to New York City to try to become performers.
Merry Christmas, ladies. Have a great day. Thank you so very much. You're welcome.
A video. Turn around to the front.
It's a video.
So, there it is. Here's the
Thanks for watching. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can follow along all month. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. Have you ever been to New York City? Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.